Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a B-2 visa invitation letter. This letter is a formal document issued by a U.S. resident inviting a foreign visitor to enter the United States for tourism, family visits, or medical treatment under the B-2 visa category. You'll start by writing your full name, address, phone number, email, and the date at the top of the letter. Then address it to the Consulate General of the United States, including the embassy's full address. Under the subject line, clearly state, invitation letter for B-2 tourist visa, visitor's full name. Then address the recipient, for instance, Dear Sir, Madam. After that, write, I'm writing to invite my relationship, for example, mother, visitor's full name, to visit me in the United States for tourism and family time from start date to end date. Your immigration status, for example, lawful permanent resident citizen residing at the above address. During her stay, I will ensure her accommodation, meals, transportation, and other expenses are fully covered. She will also be returning to visitor's home country after her visit, as she has family and personal responsibilities to attend to. Please find attached copies of my proof of residence, employment, and identification, along with a copy of visitor's full name, passport, and other supporting documents. I respectfully request that you consider granting her a B-2 tourist visa to allow her to visit the United States temporarily. Sincerely, your signature, printing, your full name. This is our sample B-2 visa invitation letter. You'll notice how it clearly explains the purpose of the visit, your relationship with the visitor, and the arrangements you've made for their stay in the United States. The letter highlights key details like the visitor's travel dates, your status as the host, and assurances that the visitor will return to their home country. This helps the consular officer understand the purpose of the trip and the legitimacy of the visa application. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting formal letters.